Chat, what's up? How's everybody doing? How we doing? How we doing? Real quick before this starts moving in either direction. I am short ES right now. Hourly honestly looks better on NQ. Same thing for the 30-minute. Would like to see us start, moving lower. Targeting midnight open. Give me 1 sec, guys. Sorry, my bad. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm favoring shorts. I would like to see us pull back a bit. See what we do. I've been in this for a while. It's been a while. I've been wanting and waiting for a rejection for like an hour. Kind of did nothing. Lunch. So it's still hovering at break even. So if you do want to get into this short with me, you definitely can. It's a really, really good entry here. You can put your stops at the 30-second OR mid, which is also weekly open. Obviously, if we reclaim weekly open, I don't want to be in shorts. So that's where I've got stops. But I would like to see us curl and come back down and go lower. But how are we doing, chat? Apologies for the late start. I had to help bring in some groceries, why I'm kind of a little bit out of breath. Been going up and down the stairs for the last 5 minutes. But we're here. We're here. We're here. Thank you all for joining. Anybody notice my my new thumbnail? Anybody pick up on that? Oh, nice, Vish. But one question, why is your stop loss tight? I mean, my entry's at 68, or I'm sorry, 88. My stop loss is usually anywhere between, 5 to 10 points. This point stop. Like I said, weekly open. Can I put it up a little bit higher? Sure, but do I really want to take on bigger loss when I think trade can get invalidated if we get up here? I'd rather keep it where it is. I think if I had a better entry, say, the 30-second opening range low, just a couple points higher, 4 points higher, then I could have a wider stop. I can have it like at this swing high here at 7,700. You know? How's everybody doing though? I am going to be multitasking, guys, while I'm on this stream. Got a lot going on right now. So looking at flow, if I see anything, I know there's a lot of options traders in here. If I see anything super interesting on the flow feed, I will let you guys know. Anyone is interested in that at all. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, I'm all for answering. High trades by now. Yeah, Real Ridge Runner. It's a little bit too high for it to like be a clean H, and it's a little bit too tight. I mean, maybe if we jump down on the 15. Yeah, it could work. I would have liked for us to reject from like down here. 50 points lower rather than from up here. But yeah, I can see the how it could look like a potential H patterns, and any pattern doesn't really have to be perfect, so to speak. So just wanted to know, how would you tackle intraday drawdown? I would do trailing stops. Can't lose. Can't lose if you do intraday. I'm sorry, if you do trailing. Look at that. So far, the trade is working. I'm not gonna make comments about the trade. I don't want to jinx it, but yes. I would also try and avoid those accounts that are restricting you to just intraday, you know? Good rejection so far. Really good rejection. I've been waiting for a trade like this, guys, all day. I was in longs earlier in the Ninja chat, and it went well. I took partials and my runners. I stopped out for, but it wasn't the trade I was looking for, you know? What's up, yo mama? How you doing? Focus on extreme. Yeah, me and her were in cahoots on this. Would you half the lot size or keep it the same? Nish, I'm usually pretty lightly sized across the board, so I wouldn't change anything about my sizing. But that depends how heavy you usually size. If you think you need to cut it in half, then do that. But I would just trail. I would just trail. I'll be right back. One sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Got my niece over, and I just don't want her voice to come in the back. Come on, give me a straight knife. Would be a very easy trade. Special guest, your niece. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear her, but she's literally behind my door calling out my name. At the top of her lungs. Yeah, Chop City for options for sure. I can see that a pretty difficult day for options. For futures though, I'm loving it. This has been so far a decent day. Um I just haven't caught like a banger move. Like I'm waiting. If this trade hits, then this would be like, would be the trade of the day for me. I'd just be done. I am looking at flow right now though. I want to see if there's anything standing out to me so I could share with you guys. I'm seeing end of the year ARKK all buyers. One likes ARK. ARK. Yeah, Rico, me too. I mean, I'm trying to just target midnight open. The lows are really far down there. Obviously, I would love for that to happen too, but I don't know if we get it, to be honest with you. If we do lose midnight open though, then yeah, that's definitely on the table. Yeah, Real Ridge Runner, her birthday was yesterday. She just turned 2. She's awesome. She's, bundle of joy. Kids are great, guys. You be in the worst mood possible, and a kid could just easily put you into a good mood. Anyone invested in uranium names? Those have been on fire lately. Have been great. Why midnight open? Can you explain? Yeah, yo mama, it's just the one other level that I have down here. Also coincides with the first rotation to the downside. So like 77, 75-ish is a good area to take off this position. Anything below 75 and like things start to accelerate and then new low a day definitely is on the table, can be on the table. Especially if NQ just a bit weaker as well. Let's see though. I don't want none of this back and forth stuff. I want a. They rarely give it to us. It's just a level I picked up from just hanging out with Tanya and Lumi. I think it's an ICT. It's also a pretty good target usually. Yo mama, do you trade on TradingView? Because my indicator. Any clue why my key levels would be different than yours? Billy, are you using my same indicator? Are you using somebody else's? I don't know why it could be different. Unless you're looking at regular. Well, actually, I have regular trading hours. Yes, also TradeAway. Yeah, if you're mainly on TradingView, I would just use my key levels indicator. It is in the description of the stream. Will be breached in the PM session. Um, By a day. No, I don't know. I don't know, Chris, if we do get new highs or new lows. The way we've been moving, I'm not too sure. I really don't think I'm asking for much with wanting just 10 points lower from ES. Oh, cool, yo mama. That's cool. Let's see if previous day high on ES can reject. 6. We continue. Anyone in any trades right now, or are you guys just chilling, hanging tight? Guys, that arc flow I was telling you guys about, it's now at 1.3 million from 743K. Wild. Chilling, waiting. Yeah. I mean, I like this hourly setup for shorter. I mean, not for shorter, for lower. We're just messing around here. Today has been challenging to trade. Well, what have you traded? I felt like price action was decently clean today. And yesterday, too. Yesterday was great. Like, market is stuck here. Yeah, Billy, what was the issue with the key levels? I'm not following. I don't know why you were experiencing until Asia. That's, I mean, Zar Trader, that's a good plan, honestly. All right, let's see if we can get moving here. Come on. Oh, look at gold bouncing off of previous week high. That was a nice bounce. I missed that. I haven't traded gold, guys, in like 3 days. Something's wrong. Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Real Ridge Runner, have a great day, sister. Take care. Thanks for stopping by. You're holding 2 micros from where? From 4072 MGC. Nice. Wait, longs, I'm assuming? Yeah, come on. Give me that continuation lower. Let's go. Go, chat. Guys, who watched my most recent video? That's what I want to know. I've been dropping out. I feel like they're pretty good, educational content. Obviously, I'm biased. It is my information, but I definitely think if you guys have not seen it yet, check it out. I talk about NQES divergence, what is divergence, why it happens, and how to spot it. So, if you're someone who struggles with that video I'll watch. I uploaded it yesterday, yeah. I uploaded it pretty late too. It was like 9 p.m. or something. Let me know what else you guys want educational content on. I'm gonna lower stops even more, just slightly at this swing high here. We'll see. Yeah, Dermis, let me know thoughts. Guys, we're so close to 2K subs on this channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please. 13 red RTH 4-hour candles? Really? Bro, what the hell? How did you even notice this, yo mama? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. And that's all the way from up here from that double top. I need to, for this. Yo, in a row, is that the most we've ever seen, bro? That's wild. But be mindful of the gaps, guys, in either direction. You're on RTH. I tried creating a gap indicator, and I was like, yo, I can't. Like, it was just too difficult. I kept running into problems. Maybe I'll give it another chance. Yeah, I have one too. It's just not 100% either. It's like I just kept running into, okay, this is not the gap I wanted. Hope tomorrow is going to be fun with Nvidia earnings. Czar Trader, don't hold your breath. That's all I'm going to say. More points lower, please. Guys, if you haven't already, please thumb up the stream. It really helps me out, helps the channel grow. Lowering stops once again. I'm putting it at basically break even. If it comes back against me 6 points from here, I don't want to see that happen. So, okay with getting stopped out there. Rico, start trading futures and you can come on stream. Go. Time to convert you over. Thanks, McBull. I caught that pop. I caught that pop when it was like some sort of news. Had trims, and then of course we started to drop. So I just got out of my runners. It was mad random. Like that push was so weird. Movement this week. This is how I anticipate it to continue with Jackson Hole, Nvidia earnings, end of the month. A lot going on this week. I hope the IB does not generate a bounce. Also, guys, someone told me that I should start looking into the IB strategy since, for the most part, I wait until, 10:30 for a trade anyway. So, like, I should just, wait for the IB to form and then start trading based off of that. Might do it. I know a couple of my really good friend traders who are using the IB as their strategy and pretty successful with it. Continue lower. Come on. If anyone is short right now, what are you guys targeting if not my exact target? Got a 30-minute candle close. New one opened up. We do here. New one opening up at the first rotation to the downside on NQ. 214. I want to see us lose this and lose previous week low and continue lower. Nice, Visha. Good job. Or Vish. I'm sorry, Vish. I really don't want to see this race too much. Really underrated in your opinion? Yeah, maybe I should, honestly, I mean, I wait at least an hour. Well, I should say at least like 45 minutes before I take a trade. What's an hour, right? Volume is low again. Anybody else experiencing that? Oh, not this again. No. Chat, someone let me know, please. It's quiet. All right, how about now? We were just fine like 5 minutes ago. Better? Okay, cool. All right, thank you guys for letting me know. Has it been like this the whole time? Oh god, don't tell me it's been like this for the past 30 minutes, guys. I freaking need tech support. Someone here fixing all this stuff for me. Sorry guys, you have to deal with all that. My apologies. 64, you and this dog always going on a walk. I thought I was whispering. Oh my god, no. Nope. No. Okay, but now this is just gonna, I need to know. Has it been like this the whole time? We close this market already? Absolutely not. I'm having fun. This is fun for me. Yeah, I'm having fun. This is a good time. I can't complain. You know what? And just for that, I'm lowering stops too. You're fighting for your life? Sorry to hear that. Wait, Gab, I don't know what any of that means. I gotta look it up. Oh, this is like a site or something? No. Not. Oh, I see, I see. That looks insane. Yeah, I would not be trading 0DT options kind of price action. But for futures, it's been a good time. Loving it. Well, I just want to see a continuation though. Yeah, Caro, agreed. Gab, that looks like very complex for me. I mean, for my streaming, it's just a very basic setup. Today's over with, in my opinion. Still got 3 more hours, 2 more hours. Come on, I just don't want to see this. I don't want them stopping me out of this. Market makers never let me have any fun. Moves coming tomorrow. What's tomorrow, Eddie? Yeah, but that's after the bell. Video is after the bell, so why would it come tomorrow if video is after the bell? I also think, again, we've been moving nice. And opportunities. Yesterday was a really good day too. Really good trading day. I enjoyed yesterday's price action. All right, Tower Man. If you guys want to be technical, yeah, got me. Win. Oh, we have to reject from here, or else this is popping back up and I'm getting stopped out. Yeah, yesterday was awesome, your mama. But like, I went on Twitter by end of the day, and so many people struggled, which is obviously a shame. Thank you. Who's this 214 level here? Nice, 64, nice. I don't think I've ever traded copper. Traded copper names on option. That's smart, Jamaican baby. Trading during Asia, London, and just leaving New York sesh alone tomorrow. Yeah, that might not be a bad idea. Maybe I'll follow your footsteps. Maybe I'll lock out some of the accounts. Probably just keep one open just for Ninja Stream and streaming on here. And kind of just preserving all the other accounts in profit. There is profit, hopefully. No? I know, you know, you know. I need a continuation though, or else the trade is a dud. Yeah, Gab, just shoot me a DM on Twitter. We could talk more. I mean, I don't know anything about this stuff, so I'm always open to, information, getting enlightened, all that good stuff. On. This is the thing too, and I'm sure I'd like to see the move happening a little bit quicker. What's my X handle? Salma OGS. Make sure there is a check mark, blue check mark next to my name. There's a lot of fake pages out there, so diligent, please. Our 15-minute candle just closed. Let's see how that looks. Don't love the way it looks on ES. The way it looks on NQ is a little bit better, in my opinion, for a continuation. ES looks like it could reverse from here. Mixed read between the two assets. Selma, you think maybe ES is Hing slowly on the 5-minute? Let's see. It could be, yeah, it could be consolidating as long as it stays below 83, right? And then we'll curl back down. Yeah, that's a possibility. Like this. Yeah, it's possible. Sure. Invalid above 83, which would then stop me out. So, yeah. Good eye, Billy. Good eye. Guys, I have a headache. Learned it from you. Well, Billy, I mean, you got it. You're the one that's got to recognize it. So, still, kudos to you. I'm glad it's been, you drink coconut water. Yeah, I probably just need to hydrate. Period. I've been drinking coffee all mornings. Someone goes, I'm gonna need a cigarette after this price action. Hilarious. Come on, don't pump. Jacked. Yeah, yo mama, this would be a decent place to go long. Again, this 15-minute on ES is setting up for potential reversal. But that could definitely fail too, which is why I'm still in this. I need it to H, like Billy says. On H pattern, prove my friend Billy right. Come on. Make or break moment here for sure. See, they're definitely trying. Sellers are still trying. Wait, Alpha, what? Yo mama, not yet. Not yet. Don't count NQ out just yet. Come on. It's trying. It really wants to. Sellers are still present here. Give Billy the H and get me paid. By the way, guys, those of you who are not in the know, Lucid's 40% off their daily account ends in 3 days. Got 3 days to grab up to 5 accounts on the Lucid Daily for 40% off. If you guys want to grab these accounts, using code Selma OGS will give you that 40% off. I would highly recommend just checking them out. I just started my first Lucid Daily account. Get paid every single day. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So, if you didn't know they were doing this, you got 3 days to snag them. Now we could go back. Oh my god, ES and NQ diverging here on this candle. Why is ES pushing? Come on. Do this to me? McBull, I have 2 codes with them, Salma and Salma OGS. I would prefer for you to use Salma OGS if possible, but if it's just for you to write Salma, then fine. But Salma OGS is my main one. That's the one I like, quote unquote, promote. Moment of truth. We're coming up on an hourly candle close too in 6 minutes, guys. But they'll probably stop me out. Yes, just really strong. Lame. Yes, just much stronger than NQ here. You know what never happens to me, guys? When it comes really close to hitting my stop and then continuing to my TP. But it always happens to me when it's really close to TP and it reverses and goes straight to stop loss. Come on, let this be the one time, the one outlier where this just reverses from. Stuff never happens. Came one tick from stopping me out. Well, let's see. Come on, sellers. Oh my god, Chad, is this gonna be the one time? Data Eddie, what's up, dude? For tuning in. Guys, if you haven't already, please thumb it up. Comma, I mark out packs midpoints, and 85 is the midpoint where your stop is. I do this by adding an. Oh, nice. Are you telling me I should move my stop? Is that what you're saying? I'm not gonna do that. Dude, I lagged when I talked about the Lucid Daily account. What's up with the stream? No, the low volume, me lagging. What is going on? Oh, you think you were lagging? Oh, okay, okay. I'll talk about it once this trade is over. I mean, they might as well just take me out here. NQ trying to push here too. Yeah, should I move stops? Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'll just let them take me out. Cause look, this is the only reason why. I'm thinking NQ can still reject the 90 man on the 5, 232. Continue lower, which is what we've been doing since 1 o'clock. We did peek over it just a bit at 1255 and then right below again and have been below it since. But I'm just thinking if this rejects, then definitely ES will reject from here too. You know, we did come one tick away from taking me out. Let's see. Leave it be. See what happens. But Jamaican Baby, for the Lucid Daily account, I'll just pull it up again so you guys can see. Whatever happens with that trade is gonna happen, guys, whether I'm watching it or not. Who cares? Alright, so we're looking at the 50K. So this is the eval part. Your target is still 3K. Your max loss is 2K, same as the flex. You still got 50% consistency, same as the flex. Obviously, no activation fee. This is daily payouts, no consistency in funded. Then you have the option of picking for the eval your drawdown and your daily loss limit. What type of drawdown do you want, and do you want to have a daily loss limit or not? And that will determine the price of your account. Then for funded, the rules are also the same. Legit, the rules for the funded. 2K max loss, same as what we're used to. They do have a DLL on the funded account, 1200. You lose 1200 in a day, you get locked out. And the drawdown type is intraday. So if whoever asked me about intraday earlier, this is the kind of account that you would need to obviously be trailing your stops. Can't have price go against you too much, or else you risk blowing the account. But that's about it, and then you get paid out legit like every day. Pull up the FAQ for those who want to know. Oh, look at NQ. NQ took out these lows here. This 1 o'clock lows. Send us down. I don't know how ES isn't dropping more. Like, come on. You guys shorted the wrong one, guys. Yeah, I don't know how this is holding up. It's really annoying me, actually. Come on, play catch up. Start knifing. It's gonna be the one time, chat, where it comes one tick. One tick to getting stopped out, and it's gonna go to TP. Is this gonna be it? I beg. Please. That'd be so epic. Push it lower. Yeah, push it lower. Dump it. What's up, Caesar? Okay, now that we've come down like this, I definitely don't want to see us come back to my stop. That 85 level, if it does, good. I'm good with this trade. I'd be really good at that point. Should just continue lower from here, in my opinion. Do not, NQ, do not use previous week low as support. Don't do it. Don't you freaking dare. Yeah. Everybody ruined for downside. Let's go. Oh, not this again. Yes, is on something else. Chat, very slow movement across the board. Yo, mama, take care. Have a great day. Yeah, NQ does need to go. 100%. What we've been clinging on all day. Even from, what's it called? From overnight, we've held on to this level. I'd like to see us lose it. Go lower. Luck. Alright, Mick Bull, take care. Guys, just leaving me here all alone. Cool. Get it. I'll watch this miserable price action by myself. Bro, need an aggressive Trump post in my favor. Can't hold a trade like you can. Oh. Yeah, I can hold a trade all day long. That's what happens though when you start trading Asia religiously, or I should say consistently. Then you just get used to like, you know, holding forever. What it's like. I'm about to fall asleep too, Jamaican baby. On ES, just drop the hold up. Alright, I'm gonna give this 10 more minutes, guys. If we don't move in 10 minutes, I'm probably gonna call it here as well. Been at my desk for way too long today. I should play Wordle while I wait for this. Yeah, Billy, no problem. I mean, I'll still be here for another couple minutes, so don't go anywhere just yet. Yeah, Eddie, no problem. Multitasking a lot, so if you guys think I'm being quiet, it's because I'm trying to focus on other stuff that I'm posting. But yeah, I'm trying to do everything. What is your plan for the rest of the day? Not much. I'm gonna go eat lunch. You working? No, I'm not gonna do it, Caesar. At 2,000 subs, which we're really close to, I'll do some giveaways. ES back on its BS. ES back on its BS. We cannot get above 82 again. simply can't. Bro, I explained the daily eval. You're not here for it. I did it for you. Um, just rewind 12 minutes ago. I went over it. But the daily eval is the same exact way as a 50K. 50K daily eval is the same as a 50K flex account. No difference as far as the eval goes. Difference comes in the funded. There's an automatic DLL of 1200 and it's intraday trailing drawdown. But obviously you're getting paid out every day, so pros and cons to it. ChatGPT said to not use a daily. I mean, you're gonna let ChatGPT decide things for you? I don't know. It depends what your goals are. Do you want to get paid every day? The answer is yes. Then you move on to the fact of, can I handle having a DLL and can I handle intraday drawdown? Those are the only two cons. Yes, Chuck. Let's freaking dump it. Yes. I like that energy. All I want is 75. I don't even want 65. What's 65? New low a day? Oh no, pretty close to it. Yeah, I don't even want near lows. I just want here. I cannot handle a trailing drawdown. Someone help me. I mean, this is literally what you have to do. You got to just grab your stop and move it as a trade goes in your way. That's the best way to tackle trailing drawdown. You can't let a trade go back against you. Or else, that counts against you. Unrealized profits, losing them counts against you. Obviously really sucky, but it's doable. Apex used to have the intraday drawdown on all of their accounts. And I remember that was like the first prop firm I was ever with. And I just had to deal with it. It's because I traded NQ. Yeah. Eddie, don't get discouraged. It's okay. You're gonna have blown accounts in the beginning. Like you're just learning. You're learning something completely new. You're coming from options to future. B, you're learning a completely new platform, figuring out how to use NinjaTrader / Tradeovate / trading on TradingView. And whatever, C or third of all, whatever I was saying before, you're figuring out sizing and how to, manage an account that's on a prop. Like you're learning their rules. There's a lot that goes into it. So don't feel bad when you blow up an account. Like it's gonna happen. You're gonna probably blow up another 10. It's okay. Like it's part of the learning curve, in my opinion. And one or two payouts will definitely make up for spending. Yeah, gold is an easy way to blow up. This is why I always say that I would not size up more than 1 micro. 2 max. That's really, really max. During Asia. Also, not for nothing, but you shouldn't even be trading gold. Stick to ES, NQ, Russell. Gold is too wild. And gold is something that you need to actually learn how it moves. Yeah, the R to R with props is dope. I agree. I have nothing bad to say about props. I really. It's better than freaking, blowing up $100 on a 0 DTE trade. I'd rather go buy an account, one-time fee, have it for as long as, I don't mess it up, and have a potential to 3x, not even 3x, more than 3x when I get a payout. It's crazy. $100 can take you a long way in futures props. By the way, I'm not sponsored, but Burt's Bees, really good. The pomegranate, really good. I had to let you guys know that. Yeah, Eddie, those are the two that I trade. Highly recommend you stick. Yeah, the emotions are definitely real, Caesar. Sure. Come on, bro. This consolidation is killing me. We're going nowhere. NQ buyers holding on to previous week low for dear life. Gotta. I mean, Chris Fisher. What else? What else do I have to do? Tell me. Well, exit the trade, exit the live, end the live, and then I might as well hold it until it either hits my stop or I take profit. It is frustrating though, I can't lie. This is a dumb pop from previous week low on NQ. Just trying to get above the 90 MA on the 5. Hopefully a seller step in. Bro, not anytime soon. Don't say that. Caesar, you never know. Yeah, after I leave, it will dump. Guaranteed. That's funny. Got me cracking up. Yeah, Eddie, that's the second time that happens. No brainer. Happened to him yesterday with Apple. Sucks, but he's entering too early or his stops are a little too tight. Either way, though, I think he's still here listening. Chuck, what does that mean? Tell me, is that good or bad? Oh, she just. Oh. What? No way. Oh, how the hell did she die? I mean, 80 is great. That's so sad. Because I'm legit so bored. Chuck, at this point, I would love for a Trump tweet or news or something just to get us moving. Eddie, do you have delayed data? They should be on par with each other. Yeah, they look pretty similar to me. You might have delayed data though. Did you learn today? What's up? What up? What up? Don't bring don't bring Trump into this. My bad. All right. Yeah, you gotta pay for live data, or else obviously you'll get delayed data. What college do you attend? I just went to a local college, local university. I commuted. Why? Didn't do ES today. ES has been clean. It's just like the moves suck. Setups have been there, it's just lack of follow through. What's up, Gordon? Yeah, this lack of follow through is killing me here. How quick it is to move back up. And I'm out, guys. And GG's. They got me. Honestly, pretty dumb. Caesar, it's all good. That's it for me, guys. We sat here and watched this past hour and a half. We barely got to move. So, calling it here. Check out the videos I've posted on my YouTube. They're good, they're educational. I think it's all content that will help you guys. Check it out. If you have any feedback, anything like that, let me know. Yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, take care, guys.